Portable generator, sold by Amazon.com. Introducing the WEN DF1100T dual-fuel portable generator, perfect for all your power needs. Switch seamlessly between gasoline and propane with a simple turn of the selection dial. Enjoy flexibility with voltage options from 120V to 240V, ideal for emergency backups. Start the powerful 457 4-stroke OHV engine effortlessly with the electric start key. The 6.6-gallon tank offers up to 8.5 hours of runtime at half load. Includes multiple outlets, 4 120V GFCI, 120V 30A, 120V/240V 50A, and a 12V DC plug. Comes with a bottle of oil, a 47-inch LPG hose, and a 2-year warranty. Rated 4.6 stars. Order today for $789.99.